Welcome. Today we're showcasing modern kitchen design ideas. If you're thinking of modeling or redesigning your kitchen, I hope this video stirs up your imagination. So, what exactly defines a modern kitchen? At its core, modern design is about simplicity, clean lines, and functionality. It focuses on a clutter-free look while blending beauty with everyday practicality. Let's explore some of the top features that make a kitchen truly modern. First, let's talk about layouts. Open-concept kitchens are incredibly popular. They seamlessly connect the kitchen with the dining or living area, creating a welcoming space for both cooking and entertaining. Kitchen islands are often the centerpiece, offering extra workspace, hidden storage, and even space for casual dining. Next up, cabinetry and storage solutions. Modern kitchens are all about sleek, handleless cabinets and flat panel designs. The focus is on seamless surfaces, where appliances and storage blend into the background. Hidden drawers, pull-out organizers, and tall pantry units help maximize space while keeping the look clean and minimal. Now, let's look at materials and finishes. High-gloss laminates, matte textures, and natural elements like wood and stone are widely used. Quartz countertops are especially popular for their durability and modern appeal. Stainless steel accents, black matte hardware, and glass finishes also add that contemporary touch. Lighting plays a huge role in setting the mood. Modern kitchens often combine task lighting, ambient lighting, and statement pieces. Imagine slim LED strips under cabinets for a soft glow, pendant lights over the island for focus, and recessed ceiling lights for an even, bright environment. Good lighting doesn't just make your kitchen more functional, it makes it feel inviting. When it comes to color schemes, neutrals dominate the modern style. Shades of white, grey, and beige are timeless choices, but designers often add bold contrasts, like a matte black backsplash, brass fixtures, or a pop of colour on the island. These subtle contrasts bring personality without overwhelming the minimalist vibe. And of course, let's not forget technology. Smart kitchens are on the rise, making life easier and more efficient. Think about voice-controlled appliances, touchless faucets, smart ovens, and built-in charging stations. These features not only look sleek, but also enhance convenience and sustainability. Another key element is sustainability. Many modern kitchens incorporate eco-friendly solutions such as energy-efficient appliances, recycled materials, and natural lighting. It's all about creating a stylish space that's also kind to the environment. Accessories and details matter. Minimalist bar stools, elegant faucets, and open shelving with curated decor can elevate the entire look. The trick is to balance functionality with design, choosing pieces that are both useful and beautiful. So, whether you dream of a large, luxurious, open-concept kitchen or a small, efficient space with all the latest innovations, the modern style adapts beautifully. It's all about creating a kitchen that reflects your lifestyle while keeping things elegant and practical.